All right. Adventure Force Ocean Animals. 40 pieces.
These.
Yeah, you have a bunch of them. You have the safari animals and the farm animals.
See it ocean.
What's that? Here, let's put them all over here.
Sorry.
Yeah, shark.
This yummy. Sorry. Yummy fish.
Fish aren't yummy unless you eat them. Oh, another shark.
This spread sign. And sharks. 40 sign. Hammer sharks.
A hammer shark.
But it's signs. I'm going to piece. See. And turn around. Welcome. So I can see small octopus.
Oh, what's that?
The octopus.
What's that, Lucas?
Octopus.
Oh, this one's an octopus.
This one got octopus.
But what's this one? A whale? Is that a killer whale?
A lot of beaks. A lot of so many beaks.
Got a lot of legs.
Legs.
How many? 8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, 8.
Little octopus.
Ooh, that's coral. And another great white shark.
What is it called?
Blue
yeah.
coral. That goes in the ocean.
I like a blue qualities. Sorry. So I go here.
And a baby octopus. Or is that a squid?
And octopus. A starfish.
Ooh,
A starfish.
that's a nice starfish.
A beach.
Let me see.
Beach. There's beak over here. A beak. Got a beak over there.
I think only birds have beaks. Some more coral.
There's a more color starfish. Has been
What's that?
scars.
What is it?
Sea lion.
That's a sea lion?
Light. Cold. And cold.
They like to live in the cold.
And so
Ooh, another great white shark.
so
Lots of sharks here.
so
Another shark.
And now Greek cars.
Coral.
Greasy weeds.
Those are sea plants.
Green plants.
And they are green.
Oh, seahorse.
Let me see.
Seahorse.
I see.
And again, seahorse.
Nice.
So, seahorse. And then look, oh, the seahorse. They got seahorse. A cool seahorse. Seahorse. A crab. Crabs. Ow!
That's a crab. Let me see.
Open.
Very nice.
Ow!
Oh no, he bit you? He got you with his claw?
Ow. Can I go up? Snacks. Bananas. There's starfish. Now starfish.
What color is that one?
Oh, one beak.
That one's a green one?
The beak over here.
I'm gonna have to look that up. What their legs are called.
A whole beak is starfish right over here. And now seahorse.
And a yellow one?
Now the seahorse. And now all fishes. That
Let me
fish.
see. Oh, it looks like Nemo. Let's see.
Nemo.
Looks like Nemo. It's a clownfish.
Cowfish. And it looks Dory.
Oh, and Dory.
and it's toys. And toys. Clownfish.
Nemo.
Nemo.
Nemo's a clownfish. I don't know what Dory is.
No. White and cold.
Oh, a little one. What's that called?
White and cold.
Is that a sea lion?
And cold.
Is it a sea lion or a seal?
Sea lion. This dolphin.
That is a dolphin.
Mommy calls dolphin the dolphin. Oh, that's a shark. Cause
Another little shark.
listen, Miss Blue Shark.
Nope. That's what it comes with.
The blue shark.
You have 2 blue sharks. It didn't come with the little shark for the blue one.
A blue shark goes here.
Okay, then put it there.
Tiny size.
He's tiny. Oh, look.
That's the kisses.
See, that's the little one. That's Nemo.
A
The
kiss.
other one's his daddy.
Nemo kiss over here.
Oh, he gives kiss.
And I kiss on
Put him next to his dad.
all 2 fish. Yes. And now I have a starfish. A second of starfish. Next to us.
I don't know what that's called. We're going to have to look that one up. It could be a starfish, but it has a lot more legs, so it might be another fish.
A starfish.
You could put it next to the starfish. No?
Yeah, a starfish.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, that is a spiky one.
Let me see.
Dolphin. Looks like
The little dolphin.
space. Oh, rocks.
And it comes with rocks, too. What's that?
Turtle.
Your favorite animal is a turtle. And then a bunch of rocks. Oh, another shark. Lots of sharks.
Baby shark. Rocks. Sea rocks. Rocks. There's some rocks. A monster rock.
Do you like this toy, Lucas? Adventure Force Ocean Animals.
Do
40
next.
pieces.
Do
We
animal.
got this at Walmart, right?
Do next. The next one, please.
Now the next one. All right. We'll start a new video. Say bye.